If you feel tired, maybe you need some carbohydrates to fill in the glycogen stores in your muscles. Hello folks, Scientific Health with a K here. Let's talk about carbohydrates and glycogen. Carbohydrates are the main fuel for moderate to high intensity prolonged exercises. We know that a limited amount of glycogen is stored in the liver and in our muscles to generate energy. The less muscle glycogen you have, the more fatigued you will be. If you don't believe me, check out the bodybuilders one day before their week peak, and you will see how tired they are. I mean, even they are blinking slowly. That's why they have something called peak week in order to restore their glycogen stores. That's why if we care about a good performance in the gym and also active life, then we should restore our glycogen stores. And the only way to restore glycogen stores is by ingesting carbohydrates in any form. And how long does it take to restore all your glycogen stores? Let's take a look at this beautiful study that answered this question by investigating the resynthesis of muscle glycogen after a prolonged cycling until exhaustion exercise that took around 3 hours. The subjects of the study were instructed to consume 80% of their total energy intake from carbohydrates after this prolonged session. After this 3 hours cycling till exhaustion, the muscle glycogen were almost depleted. And after these subjects consumed 80% of their total energy intake from carbohydrates, almost all muscle glycogen stores were recovered. That's a great finding, but maybe there is a difference between sports. Maybe if you are working out in a gym following a bodybuilding workout, maybe you need less time to restore your muscle glycogen stores, and that's different from cycling till exhaustion for 3 hours. So we can safely say and not worry about restoring our glycogen stores because we can, according to this study, restore them in 1 day or even less. As we saw, we can even restore them in 1 meal after the exercise. That's it for now. Check out the other videos where I talk more about glycogen.